If you have an LG refrigerator like ours, and the water filter light blinks on the front door panel when you close the door, it's time to change the filter. Our LG fridge water filter is considered a rooftop application, where the filter is embedded in the top left back corner of the unit. LG Manufacturing recommends changing the water filter every 6 months or less. To begin, there are tabs on both sides of the filter cover. Grasp and press both sides of the cover where you see the word push, and lightly pull down to release the cover. Next, grab the filter and tilt it down. Gently pull it out from its receptacle. Remove any plastic wrap from your new filter and place the filter directly into the receptacle, lining up the tabs before you ensure it's snug. Be sure you place a label with the current date so you know when 6 months or less is up. While you're busy in the fridge, change the air filter as well. LG recommends changing this filter every 6 months too. Our fridge air filter system is located above the top shelf and in the back. Simply grasp the filter cover and twist to the left to remove the cover. The filter is located inside the cover. See the release tabs? Simply pull on one and the filter is released for you to remove it. I'm going to pause here because the old filter was in backwards and I want to be sure yours is placed correctly. First, remove any plastic wrap from around your new filter. LG's website clearly shows the air filter gets placed inside the cover with the side that says front facing forward. Place it under one of the release tabs before snapping it into place with the other release tab. Now it's ready to go back inside the fridge. The cover doesn't go back in the way it came out. Instead, with the words right side up, you should be able to place the cover back inside the fridge with a slight twist to the right. After replacing both your water filter and air filter, shut the doors of your fridge and press the water filter button for 3 seconds, and do the same for the air filter button to turn the icon lights off. These are timed sensor lights and it will remind you to replace your filter within 6 months when the lights go on again. Thanks for joining us once again. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow our handy household tips when we share them. Have a great day.